boys, we back with another video. I'm about to hit up his car meet. That boy Mudley sent me a flyer. We about to hit that bitch up. We about to see Mudley. He said he got some cars over here, and we about to see mad cars. So we about to go see what they're talking about. It's raining right now and it's dark, so like that's why I'm pretty much driving hella chill right now, cause I can't lie, I can't see shit. But yeah, it's raining. Hopefully it's not raining when we're out there, but everything should dry up, and we about to go see some cars and look at some cars. Bringing the M340 to the first car meet, I guess you could say. But yo, bro, it's so dark out here. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all boys when we get closer and when we start seeing some cars. You feel me? Yeah, we got Dom today with the video. We got Dom in the video, standing in front of the Mustang. We got the Mustang, we got the Camaro, and we got the Vet. We're about to pull up, and we're about to see what's cracking over there. But it is wet, so shit, we're gonna see. All right, yo, show the Mustang. We got the Mustang, we got the Vet. Show the Vet. We got the Vet, and we got the Camaro. Oh shit, the Camaro. We're about to head out. I'm gonna put the location on my phone. That Mustang loud as shit. That Mustang loud as hell, yo. Chad, this is my first time bringing this car to like a meet or like anything like that, so we about to see what's cracking over here. We about to really see what type of V's are out here. We got that boy in the Camaro right there. We got the boy in the Mustang right there. Whenever I point, like, show the car too. Okay. Just like show the direction I'm pointing in. I gotta take a piss, man. Holy shit. The Mustang really loud as hell though. It's wet though, so I don't really know how crazy we about to be driving. Because it is wet. I don't think we're gonna do nothing too crazy because they in the rear wheel drive, motherfucker. See, at least I got all wheel drive, so I'm Gucci. I don't think we're gonna do too much crazy shit, so I'm gonna see y'all boys once we get there, yo. Oh yeah, you see that? We mobbing now. We mobbing. We actually got some space because there was OD traffic. I don't know where Buzzing's going. I guess he got his own way. I'm following the Mustang. I'm following my GPS. I don't know where Buzzing was going. But yeah, let me see if y'all can hear that Mustang. That shit loud as hell. Now the wind is crazy. The wind is crazy. But that Mustang sound crazy. No cap. They crazy for even ripping it. Yo, they were ripping it in the wet, on the wet highway. Crazy for even ripping it in the wet highway. No cap. I'm chilling though. I'm gonna record more once we get there. We out. Yo, as y'all can see, there's mad fucking people here, yo. I did not expect it to be this many people, but there's mad fucking people. Holy. We about to see mad whips, yo. We are about to see mad fucking cars. Holy. I did not expect this many people to be here. Where we about to park at, bro? You want to park right there? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, we about to park right there. Damn, who's revving that shit? know if the camera can hear that revving, but that shit sound crazy. I'm about to rev my shit. Somebody revving over there crazy. We got the Vet, we got the Camaro, we got the Mustang over there. About to hop out and say what's good though. Oh shit, I got my phone crazy. Yo, there's mad people here.
Yeah, I thought it was empty at first. I ain't gonna lie. When I first pulled up, I thought it was empty.
I didn't expect there to be mad people.
They finna start walking down this road right here.
Somebody was revving their shit crazy. Got my shit. I didn't want to bring my shit out today, but fuck it. My shit gonna look different next week. God damn. Camaro, Mustang, Camaro. Trucks over here. God damn. It's right there. That's a mutt. Damn. Oh shit. Brody bought the Viper outside. What we got here? There's hella shit here. 350Z. I bet. What you fucking with, Dom?
God damn, I don't know. I don't know much about cars, bro.
What you fucking with, Dom?
That boy cute.
Man, yo, there's mad people here.
I'm trying to find that GTR. Remember was a GTR? Last year?
Last time you pulled up, there was a GTR?
This shit look just, not just like X's, but similar.
Like the body kit and all that?
The old Liberty Wall kit and all.
God damn. That bitch clean though. Wow. Oh yeah. It's dark as hell out here. This shit loud as fuck. You got the tongue out. Oh. That boy right there clean. That boy right there clean. Hell, Rich.
man, we back at it again.
Nope. It's over there. Honda boy. Yeah, they show that. Just I don't even know why they do that. Yo, chat, why they do that? Might have to turn the brightness up on this bit. I don't know. Shit is mad dark. I'm walking through everything.
It's such a mixture of like two, like it's like a bunch of different
right?
people. It's like yeah, different colors.
120 for the skelly kept it clean. Huh?
My bad.
Why don't fucking bad
Mustang. Charger. Mustang. What else we got going on over here? That. Z. Charger. Honda. We're gonna go to a Carson Coffee. That's what we see them. Chat, what the fuck is that? Yo, chat, what the fuck is that? Is that where you put the dead people in? Take them to the funeral? Did a little walk around. I'm gonna start recording when people start making mad noise and shit. We pretty much did a walk around. What you think, Dom? It's alright?
Pretty far, yeah. Yeah, it's alright.
What we got right here? Okay. Camry.
She's just trying to go out there with a best man, bro.
Yeah, she's getting off work.
We ruining her day, bro.
Damn, what the fuck is that?
It's a girl, bro.
That's a girl?
Yeah, that's the girl over there. That's the girl over there.
Damn, what you got in that shit?
What are you taking here? Dump the play.
What you got in this shit? Everybody's trying to crowd in this bitch. You online? You online? Yeah, that shit sounded crazy.
Line that bitch up if you want to.
What you got going on? What you think, dog? Damn! That shit loud as fuck. I'm gonna be honest, bro. Ever since I got the M340, bro, I kind of don't miss it, bro.
I told you. I literally told you. I texted you. I said, bro. I was in your chat. I said, bro. Once I got you Mopar and something else, I lost love for Mopar.
Yeah.
That shit's slow.
Yeah, it is kind of slow, and the modifications is like it's ass. You can't do shit, and it costs mad bread, and you don't get shit. Yeah, I agree with you. That shit is ass.
My ears are hurting, like my right one.
Yeah, that shit hurt my ear.
My shit's itching, bro.
Did it break? I hope it did it break.
Did it break?
Where's Bobby?
Oh, look, this car's leaving.
What do you got going on? Where's he
Andre, this your whip right here. I think. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is right there. That's about it. I can't lie. I don't see no other cars parked up. I mean, maybe like in the corners and shit. The Honda boys.
sets this shit up?
I don't know. I think you just post on Instagram and then people pull up. Type shit. I already walked through all this shit right here. Man, people around my way. Gotta be scared. They had dogs?
Yeah, they got dogs.
There's mad people around my whip. Oh, they're right there. Let's see if I'm late to this too.
Pásanos el video.
Why is he going blood? Wow. Brody hanging out the window. That boy Level right here. That boy Level popped out. What you think about this Level if you watch this video, my boy? I should chop it. This right here, Q50. Alright, he don't give a fuck. He don't give a fuck. He going again. Nah, they're going crazy. That shit about to blow up. like a, I don't even know.
I felt it every time.
Yeah, every time the flame went out, you literally felt that shit on your face, yo.
You're not cold anymore.
Hey, that shit was crazy. We had a little fire. God damn. Can I make the 340 do that? Yeah, I can make the 340 do that?
Huh?
Yeah, I can make the 340 do that?
Probably. Right, motherfucker.
Nah, that shit loud as fuck.
That too, though, goddamn. You feel like dead getting shot.
Bro, that shit was, that's my face, yo. Holy shit. Nah, they wildin'.
Oh, that shit's crazy. This might be your best video.
Dude, yeah, this might be my best video so far.
He's bugging, yo. Oh my god, bro.
Yo, he almost crashed like 4 times.
I'm gonna see if I got that one. That one was crazy.
Nah, I didn't get that. I thought they crashed. I was over here, and then there was just mad people. I couldn't see shit.
Oh, I kinda got it. Right here.
Oh, nah, yeah, he was so close.
And then I ran up. Look, I ran up. But then he backed off. Everyone was running up though. I didn't have an angle.
Nah, yeah, there were so many people.
Everybody on that pole too. That shit was fire.
We out to more of these or what, dog?
100%. 100%.
And then once my car's looking nice. I didn't want to bring my shit out because it was mid right now, but shit, no one's even looking at my shit. Who gives a fuck? Spinning, I lost you for a second. I got scared.
I lost you too, but it was easy to find you because you're blue hoodie.
I couldn't slide.
Bro, you actually gotta do that shit, bro. But this C8 better do it, bro.
Yo, the C8s don't be doing shit.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
They don't be doing shit, bro.
For the meat, bro. Come on, bro.
They don't be doing shit.
What the fuck? Bro, you go.
Spin that shit.
Oh, you don't take watches. That's gonna be back there. But this Mustang better spin, bro. Oh yeah. Bro, spin that shit. Spin, nigga. Come on, bro. Spin. Hey, what up, bro? Hey, what's up?
Cops is here.
Cops is here? Cops is here. I mean, shit, we're not doing nothing wrong.
I don't know why niggas be running.
Yeah, we're not doing nothing wrong.
Especially the niggas that don't got these be running.
Yeah, I guess. Where's our car at?
It's over there.
Oh, it's over there. Dipping? We dipping?
No Revving and shit. That shit. Hey, walk.
guess that's about it, yo. Everybody dipping. I guess the boys pulled up. He's still going crazy, yo. We're gonna have to go get gas or some shit after that. You out?
Yeah.
Alright, boy.
Alright, my guy. I'm gonna leave with you later.
Alright.
Hey, see y'all, man.
Yo, nice video.
See you, dog. Be safe, buddy.
Y'all dipping? Yeah. Alright.
Alright.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Hey, nice meeting y'all, bro.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Never mind, Sean. Don't do it.
Oh, the cops.
Cops. Do it.
God, yo, they're going crazy. I think it's another car they're playing. Everybody running. Damn, the boys shutting it down. How was that, Dom? Pretty lit.
Pretty fire.
It was
for
pretty.
the first car meet.
It was pretty mid at first. I ain't gonna lie. The cars weren't really that crazy, but then they started doing some crazy shit. That donut shit was crazy, and then they were popping flames everywhere. It's cold as shit. I don't know. Is my nose red? My hand's cold. It's cold as fuck. Yeah, that was pretty lit. I ain't gonna lie. Apparently tomorrow there's a Cars and Coffee. You want to come or not? In the morning? You might be sleeping, but
Morning.
yeah,
I don't know.
maybe from Dom. But we got Brody in the go-kart. Pretty solid, I can't lie. That was pretty cool. Drop a like, drop a sub, drop a comment on this video. Appreciate y'all boys tuning in. 340. By the way, my car's gonna look completely different by next week, by my birthday, February 29th. My shit gonna look crazy. Sir. Once my shit look crazy, expect another video. And I might pop out to that shit tomorrow though. I might.
How early is it?
I think it's at like 8 a.m.
Oh, hell no.
It's a hell no from Dom.
Unless I'm awake, but I probably won't.
Bust the go-kart, yo. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Drop a like, drop a comment, drop a sub. And me and Dom, we out.
Peace.
Peace.